Hi, everybody. Today, I'm stoked to be able to share this feature with you, which is fundamentally changing the way that I'm interacting with the Great Question app. This feature is, of course, the write access that we've added to Great Questions MCP. With this new functionality that we've released, you can now create studies, build screeners, invite participants, manage research ops, and synthesize your research findings directly from Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, or any other AI tool you use without ever having to leave your AI workflow. Okay, so here I am in Claude Cowork, and I'm going to get Claude started on this task of creating a research study focused on AI literacy for me, and I want to screen for candidates who work at Great Question. And you'll note that I have purposely left this open-ended, so I haven't been too prescriptive in terms of what the screener questions are or who it is that we should be speaking with. As you can see, it's asking me some prompts here. So I'm going to choose Understanding AI Literacy on the Team as the project title. And what angle should the four screener question take? Let's focus on tools and skill level. And should the survey questions themselves be drafted now or left empty for you to fill in later? Let's draft a starter set as well. So Claude is now working and creating a new study for me in Great Question. As we can see, Claude has created some screener questions for me, but I'm unhappy with those. I don't like the yes qualifiers, no disqualifiers question. So change the first screener to make it more detailed. Add a fifth screener that is open-ended. Coming over into Great Question, we can see that Claude has now created a new study for me called Understanding AI Literacy on the Team. It's got a research goal. It's added some participation limits and time commitments. Coming over onto the Screener tab, we can see that it has changed that first screener question for me, which is fantastic. And it has also, maybe if I just refresh, added a fifth question. There we are. So we can see that we've now got this open-ended screener question at the end. In your own words, what does it mean to be AI literate in your role? Fantastic. Moving through this project setup, I asked it to draft some survey questions for me, which it has done as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screener questions designed to better understand AI literacy on the team. So after publishing the study and allowing participants to participate, we can come back into Claude to analyze the research findings. So analyze the findings from the study titled Understanding AI Literacy in the Team and generate a findings report for me that I can share with my director. So Claude has now had a couple of minutes to work. It has actively found the appropriate study and created a research findings report for me here, which we can click in a Google Doc format, which is fantastic. And then it also pulls out the headline for us, which is that across 10 qualified product research and design leads, AI literacy is no longer the bottleneck amongst the team at Great Question. And then if need be, we can come across to Great Question and validate and verify all of these responses by looking at the summaries tab here and or going through the individual responses. So that's a wrap on our Great Question MCP write access feature. And what I've just shown you is a full study that's been designed, refined, and synthesized all from within Claude Code, but this could have just as easily been done within any other AI tool of your choice. This is where our MCP is at today. You can access this functionality today. In order to do so, please go to greatquestion.co and or speak to your administrator.